Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm quickly going to show you how to delete messages on TikTok. Stick with me till the end and let's get right into it. From the home screen of your TikTok, all you need to do is tap on the inbox option on the bottom right and you'll see all of the messages that you have sent. Now open up any particular message and simply tap and hold the message and you'll have an option of delete right here. You can tap on it and that particular message will be deleted from the chat section. Now if you want to delete a chat or in general, you can come back to this section and you can tap and hold the chat and a menu will open up where you can see an option of delete. You can tap on delete and tap on delete again. And there you go, as easy as that. You have now successfully deleted message on your TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.